Hi guys, I'm Anurag or Simha. Today I want to show you that you can, even if you feel somewhat bored in your car, you can do a helicopter controlling system. Well, you have to take one paper piece, roll it and stick it, and later with a pencil, draw it like this. Do you see this line? Well, this will look like that. You know that accelerator like this, up, down. Well, this is like that, left, right, and front, back. Well, you have to do that same way, but this one vertical and this one a horizontal, like this. If you say it should be of different size. Shorter one should be that front, back, left, right, and this up down accelerator should be longer. Take it like this, do like this, like this, like this, like this. Now let's come on to the main part where we can talk and talk. 1 minute, guys. Hello? Hello? I am talking in my helicopter. Well, this part also has to be made. Well, let's make this part. So you have to take again same like this and hold it vertical and fold it up so that it looks like this. 1 minute. Oh, this is one. There's some problem. So this is like that mic in which you speak. You will need a helmet any color, and this is like the fan indicating that you are driving a helicopter. Hey, but don't think that you're gonna fly away. It's like that. I'm gonna do something imaginary later. First, let's do this. Well, you can do like this, and later when you wear it, everybody thinks that you're flying a helicopter. In the car, you can do this whenever you're going to any place or outside. I do the same thing with my father when he's driving. I'm driving the helicopter, he's driving the car. Well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and have fun. Good luck.